Hi, I'm Luciano from the product team and I will show you the Quotes app. First of all, you have to search for it and install it, and here you have the configuration for it. First of all, this app has the ability to close contacts, so here you will have to select a user that will act in behalf of it. Then you have the catalog section where you can upload your catalog either one by one product by one, or uploading a CSV file going here. Then with this option you can allow agents to add new products to the catalog when creating a new quote. The following section is the additional fields. These fields will appear when you're creating a quote, and you can add, for example, if your business needs to add a national identification number, for example, you can add it here and this will be displayed when you're creating a quote. This option can be selected if you want to show the additional fields when you are exporting a quote as a PDF. Then you have this section to upload an image for your quote, and this image will be displayed in the header. And the last options are these options that you can use to select if you want to close a contact after a sale or not. So let's see this in practice. Here I have a prospect that has started a conversation, and I will send a quote to it. So I'm gonna select this app, and as you can see, I have my catalog is empty, so I can create a item and a price. And for example, let's leave it like that. The status will be pending, and I will save this. So right now the quote is like a note that is useful for the agent, but there hasn't been sent any quote to the client. So in order to do that, you can, in this case I'm doing it in 2 steps, but you can do it in 1. You can directly send a PDF as a WhatsApp message, but in order to do that, the conversation with the client must be open. For example, you need to send a template and the customer must reply, or the customer must open the conversation by talking to us first. In this case, the latter case is the one that applies. So I will send that quote as a PDF, and here you can see that it has been sent, and that's the case. So for example, that's a quote that has a pending status. So let's suppose that the customer accepts our quote. So we can come here, let's put this quote as a status sold, and let's put the date and save it. Here you will have this message asking you if you want to close this contact and all the next ones, or you do not want to never close it. So I will select this option and will close it. So now this contact has been closed, and that's for the quote section. Now, if you want to see the reports or the dashboards for this app, for the quotes that has been done, you can come to the report section, and here in this later one, you will see the dashboards, the charts for the quotes. In this case, I have only one quote that has been sold, so you can see it here, and I sold it for $10. And you will see the quotes per agent, in this case, 1 for this agent, and the details for that quote. So you can select these filters to select the different groups that your company or business has, and filter these dashboards according to that. So that's all. If you have any question, please leave us a comment, and you can continue watching the following training material. Goodbye.